Hi students, welcome to JSR Maths Academy. Now we are going to discuss about the fourth problem of exercise 2. Let me explain the question. Find the 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Find the 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. And to solve this problem, one must aware about one more important concept, that is of a density property of rational numbers. What is density property of rational numbers is? Means if you take a and b are two rational numbers, and in between these two rational numbers there will be infinitely many rational numbers. Between this a and b rational numbers there will be infinitely many rational numbers will be. This is said to be what? Density property. Let me say this is some further detailedly. If I ask you to say the natural number which lies between 3 and 6, means you can write the numbers. There are two natural numbers which lies between 3 and 6, that are 4 and 5, you can say. And if I ask you to write the natural numbers or else integers which lies between -5 and 0, means you can say that as a -4, -3, -2 and -1, and these are four integers which are lies between -5 and 0, you can say. And same question if I ask you like this, if I ask you to write the natural number which lies between 3 and 4, means there is no natural numbers which lies between 3 and 4. And how many whole numbers are there between 3 and 4? Means no whole number which lies between 3 and 4. And how many integers will be? No integers. But in case of rational numbers, between these two rational numbers 3 and 4, there are infinitely many rational numbers will be. That is what density property says. Okay, between these two rational numbers there are infinitely many rational numbers will be. Okay, so this is what density property. And for this inserting of rational numbers, I already did a video regarding the inserting the rational numbers between the two rational numbers a and b by using mean method. That means between a and b, they the average. What is the average of this a and b? Average means what? A plus b by 2 will be less. Okay, this is what mean method to insert. But here if you go on with this mean method, it takes much time to solve this. For this what we need to do means, let me explain that one. Here how many numbers that we need to insert? We need to insert 12 numbers we need to insert. If you want to insert 12 numbers, and we need to take 12 plus 1, if n is equal to 12 means then n plus 1 becomes what? 13. So you need to multiply the given numbers. You need to multiply the given numbers by 13 by 13. -1 means -1 by 1. 2 means 2 by 1. And these two fractions has to be multiplied by 13 by 13. Successor of the required number of rational numbers. Here also 13 by 13. On multiplying this, you get it as a -13 by 13 and 26 by 13. Now if you observe this rational numbers, these two rational numbers are having same denominator, 13 and 13, and you observe the numerators. What are the numerators? Numerators are -13 and 26. Now can we write any integers which lies between these two? Means yes, we can write. What are the integers which lies between -13 and 26? Means you can write that the integers between -13 and 26 are, you can say, -12, -11, -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4. Or else you can take a positive 1. Positive 1 also will be lies between -13 and 26. And 2, 4, 5 you can take 13, you can take 17, even you can take a 20 even. Okay, so how many I wrote here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So we have written 16 up to now. Okay, so for these all integers, if you take denominator 13, then you get an rational numbers which lies between -13 by 13 and 26 by 13. So you can write that rational numbers between minus 13 by 13 and 26 by 13, or in this select any 12. For that 12 numbers you take a denominator as 13. That are, let me explain, let me write that. First one minus 12 by 13. Second one is what? Minus 11 by 13. Third one is minus 10 by 13. Fourth one is minus 9 by 13. Fifth one is minus 8 by 13. Sixth is, you can take it as an minus 7 by 13. Seventh is minus 6 by 13. Eighth, you can take it as an 4 by 13. Pass to 13 you can take, no problem. Pass to 4 you can take. And ninth you can take it as a 5 by 13. 10th you can take it as an 0 by 13 even. You can take 11th one as a 20 by 13. 12th one you can take it as an 25 by 13. So these are the numbers which lies between minus 13 by 13 and 26 by 13. And minus 13 by 13 means what? Minus 1 only. 26 by 13 means 2. So these are the dual rational numbers which lies between the minus 1 and 2.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like, share.